Hey guys, it's the girl Sade Jewel, and today we're gonna get into this nice recipe. It's my famous juicy meatballs, and you see we have a side of rice and a buttery lemon asparagus.
Sending me paragraphs, I done heard it before, so I ignore it. I'm knowing she just mad for the moment, so I'll enjoy it. If I call it.
In this clip, you're gonna see me chopping up veggies. I have green pepper, red pepper, onion, pimento seeds, scotch bonnet pepper, thyme. I didn't have garlic, and I didn't have a lot of greens as I normally have, and of course I had scallion, but it's not as green as normal. But we're gonna work with what we got, because baby, it's inflation out here. It's expensive.
Don't fail me. And if you go fuck off, girl, tell me. Yeah, and I don't love you for sick. I bring you to my hood. Shit.
Normally I would use my blender to make this, but yeah, I moved and got rid of everything, so I'm using this good old chopper, this ninja chopper, and I put a little oil in there to make it smooth. Here go Cairo, say hello.
Hello.
Yeah, he just all in the way.
Yes, tell me, do you love me like you say you do? Yes, tell me, can I do whatever I want to you? Yes, spit inside her mouth, I got a little bit on her chest. I know you ain't mine, but do I love you? Yes, me, baby, I'll be home by next week. If I give you my heart, don't fail me. And if you go fuck off, girl, tell me.
Y'all don't come for me, because remember I told you I was missing a lot of greens, but this is what you have. You have your nice seasoning full of everything and flavor. So now we're getting ready to make these nice juicy meatballs. I'm showing you all the ingredients that I use. FYI, it may look like a lot, but trust me, it is not. I like my food flavorful, and I don't like no bland food, you know? It doesn't work for me.
How is it his fault that every time y'all gotta argue? Y'all arguing cause you was still around the one I called you. He show you real love, you come around me and I dog you.
I also want to give a huge shout out to Spice Jamaica. If you're watching this, I need some more seasoning.
Yes, spit inside her mouth, I got a little bit on her chest. I know you ain't mine, but do I love you? Yes, me, baby, I be.
You see Spice Jamaica again. I need some more.
If I give you my heart, don't fail me. And if you go fuck off, girl, tell me. Yeah. History be there when it's over. I hear you show me love.
So now you guys are gonna see me incorporate everything together. I don't want to hear,
She's not wearing gloves. Oh my god, that's unsanitary. Da, da, da.
this is my house, my food, my everything. Don't worry about it. My hands are clean. I did start rolling the meatballs off camera, because who doesn't know how to do that? But this is how it's looking. This is what it's giving. Now I'm getting my pot ready. Oh my gosh, Cairo. Jesus Christ. I'm putting some oil inside of the pot and throwing the meatballs in there so they can fry up a little bit.
It's DJ Ryan.
On the basis she know it. Sending me paragraphs, I done heard it before.
In this part, you guys are going to see me add a little more to seasoning. Oh my gosh. Are y'all serious right now? You guys are going to see me add in some of the seasoning that we blended up. It's just to infuse the oil a little bit, because I forgot to do that before I put the meatballs in there.
I know you ain't mine, but do I love you? Yes, me, baby, I'll be home by next week. If I give you my heart, don't fail me. And if you go fuck off, girl, tell me. Yeah, and I don't love you for sick. I bring you to my hood, shit, we can ride in my Vic. I buy you diamonds, no inside this shit, I'll VVX.
I'm just chopping up some onion. This is gonna fry in with the meatballs to give it a nice flavor. Oh my gosh, y'all, these kids are driving me crazy.
I ain't just saying that. The nigga who been cheated on, like, baby, I done been that. And I know how it feels, so we can go ahead and end that. Yes, tell me, do you love me like you say you do? Yes, tell me, can I do whatever I want to you? Yes.
Now I'll be going in with some W sauce, because I don't know how the hell to say that, but there it go. You see it. Also going in with some ketchup. Who doesn't use ketchup for a gravy? I feel like that's a must. Now I'm going in with some water. That's how I say it, you know, it's the Brooklyn in me. Water. It's not water, it's water. As you guys seen, I just threw in a little piece of thyme. Oh my gosh, Cairo, bro. Now I'm mixing around all the gravy from the W sauce and the ketchup to get everything incorporated, and cleaning up my stove, because I don't like to see a messy stove. We clean as we go. You then cover your pot and you let this cook down for about 30 minutes before you check on it. Yes, I like my things nice and juicy. I don't like it super hard. Total cook time is about, I'd say 45 to 50 minutes. I made white rice and a side of asparagus. Hold on, let's get into the asparagus. Oh, do you see that? Do you see that? Let's get into the finished product. Yes, honey. Do you see that? This is a nice, quick, simple meal. You see me throwing the gravy on because we are a gravy household over here. And this meal was just so flavorful and so delicious. Oh my gosh. So if you don't have a man, girl, hurry up and make this. And I promise you, you're going to have one by the end of the night.